Today on Forbes, the unlikely group getting rich off Dave's Hot Chicken's $1 billion deal. Bill Phelps, the 69-year-old CEO of Dave's Hot Chicken, who joined the Los Angeles-based spicy chicken chain in 2019 after leading Blaze Pizza and Wetzel's Pretzels, is sitting next to his second-in-command, Dave's president and COO, Jim Biddix, another Blaze alumnus, on one side of a large conference room table in Forbes' Jersey City office. On the other side of the table are two of Dave's four co-founders, 33-year-old Arman Oganessian and 34-year-old Dave Kopushian, who look like they're on their way to or from a big night out. Kopushian, a cook who is the brand's namesake, is coolly dressed in a white t-shirt and blue-washed jeans covered in black stars. Oganessian, meanwhile, dons a bright pink and orange Versace silk shirt, matching pink sunglasses, and a Hermes belt with shorts, his arms and legs exposed to show intricate tattoos. Though both claim no mischief the night prior, the duo have plenty to celebrate. Their visit to Forbes is the last stop on a whirlwind two-day press tour following the June 2nd announcement that Dave's sold 70% of its business to Roark Capital, the private equity giant that owns Subway, Dunkin', and Buffalo Wild Wings, among other restaurant brands, at a $1 billion valuation. After the interview, they're hopping on a private jet from Teterboro Airport back to Los Angeles. Dave's was founded in 2017 by Oganessian, Kopushian, and brothers Tommy and Gary Rubenian. All four were children of Armenian immigrants who grew up together in East Hollywood, and they were all high school dropouts. They started the business as a pop-up in a parking lot near where they grew up. Their cayenne-coated Nashville-style chicken, which comes in 6 different spice levels, the hottest of which, the Reaper, requires buyers to sign a waiver, gained an immediate cult following. Continued social media hype around the brand, which says its brand organically generates millions of views a week on TikTok, along with a cadre of celebrity investors, including the rapper Drake, helped turn Dave's into a $620 million in 2024 system-wide sales business with over 300 global locations, and a prime takeover target. The four co-founders, who were at one time so broke they say they struggled to pool together the $900 needed to launch the first Dave's pop-up, are now richer than they ever imagined. Each owned roughly 10% of the business prior to the sale and is selling around 80% of their stakes, amounting to around $80 million pre-tax. Oganessian says, quote, "The money's in our accounts." He admits he Googled whether Roark could request the money back. It's quite a jump from the last time they cashed out. The founders previously sold half the business, Dave's had just one location at the time, for $2 million in 2018 to an investor group led by CEO Phelps and the Hollywood producer John Davis, a prominent food investor and son of billionaire oil and entertainment tycoon Marvin Davis. The pair had previously worked together on Wetzel's, which Phelps founded, and on Blaze Pizza. Davis says, quote, "I fell in love with the boys. There was something about them. This is a $1 billion company." It was really Phelps and Davis who helped it grow so big so fast, and while the duo had worked on the other two restaurant concepts together, this one is the most successful concept to date in terms of the company's ultimate valuation. Phelps and Davis both made 250 times their initial investment. According to Davis, he and Phelps were the largest shareholders in the company at the time of the sale to Roark, with roughly equal stakes. Davis declined to share his ownership stake, but says he still kept some after the sale. Phelps, who also declined to reveal his ownership stake, says he sold off half of his shares and adds that he and the rest of his investment group voted to give away a chunk of their earnings to create a bonus pool for Dave's executives and employees, around 20 of whom will become millionaires. Biddix adds, quote, "The average bonus for the support people all the way down to assistant restaurant manager level was about $100,000. For full coverage, check out Jemima McAvoy's piece on Forbes.com. This is Kieran Meadows from Forbes. Thanks for tuning in.